Loading 4-inch hose. Four-inch hose shall be loaded flat in the rear hose bed. At least 3 members are required for efficient hose loading. The positions. One member will stand on the tailboard and is responsible for the folds at the rear of the hose bed. This member can also assist with pulling hose up to the second member. The second member will stand at the rear of the hose bed and pull the hose for loading. A third member will receive hose from the second member and create folds at the front end of the hose bed. If additional members are available, they will help with coupling and advancing the hose from the ground. The hose shall be loaded so that each hose fold is positioned next to the previous fold. Yell out, "Coupling!" each time a coupling is passed in order to warn other members. Couplings must be loaded so that they will not flip when the hose bed is deployed. To accomplish this, and to keep the hose bed flat, each coupling will be taken to the front of the hose bed and positioned so that as the hose is deployed, it will slide straight out. This may require that the coupling be flipped prior to being positioned. To the extent possible, the couplings should be distributed evenly across the front of the hose bed without stacking them directly on top of each other. Complete one level across the entire hose bed. Start the next level by doubling up on the ends. Continue the flat load side to side. Continue placing all couplings at the front of the hose bed. When the hose is loaded on top of a section with a coupling, it will be folded short to create an even profile in the hose bed. It may be necessary to fold a few levels short to accomplish this. Subsequent folds may then be made on top of the hose bed, covering the previous couplings. When the last section of hose has been loaded, a hose strap will be attached 10 feet from the end. A hydrant pack is then attached at the end of the hose. The final step is attaching the 2.5 inch to 4 inch increaser and then stacking the coupling over the hose strap.